Bonnie, happy Sunday! I am back. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my voice a little bit. I don't know if I have a cold or if it's allergies. I don't really feel that bad. I can still smell, which is always a good thing. But I'm kind of losing my voice. So, oh my goodness, you guys, I actually have a good video here, despite my losing my voice. We are going to talk about last call for fall because fall is starting to come to a close. I actually got my hands on Vanilla Bean Noel. We're going to talk about this later. For Christmas, it's funny. I think a lot of people are really excited about Christmas this year, including me. You never know. It's funny. Sometimes fall lingers a little bit longer. Other times, I feel like people really just want Christmas, and I kind of feel like that's the kind of year it is. So right now, Bath & Body Works is doing $4.95 on the Fine Fragrance Mist, which is a fabulous deal. This is the time you're going to want to stock up, get some stuff for Christmas. So I thought I would kind of go through the scents, talk about what worked, what didn't work for fall, and really what was missing, because I feel like fall was a little lacking this year at Bath & Body Works. So we had our fall traditions: sweet cinnamon pumpkin, or sweater weather, marshmallow pumpkin latte. Together weather was just a total bummer for me. I didn't even like it. It just kind of passed me by. What else did we have in that collection that's still available even? I feel like stuff is getting sold out. Pumpkin pecan waffles. That's the one that no one can find. That was really good. They should have made extra pumpkin pecan waffles. Like, why did we run out? On October 1st. Ivory Cashmere, never been a huge fan. So I feel like the traditions line, champagne apple and honey. I always forget to talk about that one. It's like, that always comes out early and it's like here and gone. So, let's see, where'd champagne apple and honey go? I don't even have it up here. Or maybe I do. Yeah, I have it. It's a nice one. It's like early fall. It's also a little springy. It's got a little bit of a floral note with the apple. It's kind of sweet. A lot of people like it though. Comes back every year. The elusive pumpkin pecan waffles. This is the one that smells the most like food. Everyone, for the most part, seems to like this one. I love it in the shower gel, so that was a win. So not bad scents. We just didn't really get anything new. I would have liked to have seen white pumpkin and chai back. Pumpkin picking. Remember pumpkin picking that we thought maybe it was white pumpkin and chai? I don't think it was. I just feel like we could have had something a little bit better. Sugared cherry crisp, which I don't think is everlasting magic. We were really lacking in the foodie scents this year. Aside from pumpkin pecan waffles, we didn't get our blueberry maple sugar back, or blueberry that one. What is it? Blueberry maple. Blueberry pancake sugar maple thingy. It didn't come back. We did not get that one back. Halloween was good. I mean, you can still get the Halloween stuff in the Shimmer Mist. I would pick that up today, honestly, for your $4.95. These make great Halloween gifts. If you're doing gifty things, $4.95, absolute win. So what else do we do for fall? Chasing Fireflies. That's like over. I feel like that's like way August. And then of course we got this twosome here. We got fresh vanilla blossoms and we got cozy vanilla bourbon. I did not like fresh vanilla blossoms at all. I do not mind cozy vanilla bourbon, but it's not my bonfire bash. I'm really feeling the absence of Bonfire Bash, because that's one of my favorites. I have no idea why it didn't come back. It's super popular. That was a mystery to me. I think the best thing that came out of fall for me personally was leaves. Where did my leaves go? I don't even have it up here. It's in my room. I love the leaves. I did not expect to like leaves. Leaves is strong. It smells just like the candle, which I didn't even know I liked that much. Oh my goodness, it's got that really nice clove note in it. I've been using leaves like crazy. So I think I might go shopping tonight and do like a leaves stock up. I'd like two of those. I'm hearing we're supposed to be having a 60% off sale next week, but this is a better deal, the $4.95. Also with leaves, we got, here's leaves. I knew I had an extra one. I got leaves. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to spray a little of this on. This one smells Oh my gosh, I just love it. I absolutely love it. It's the green apple golden nectar warm clove spice. It's strong too. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I can smell perfectly fine. I just can't talk. Go figure. Fallen Bloom was back in the ombre. A lot of people like this one. Black Cherry Merlot coming back, I think, was nice. A lot of people like Black Cherry Merlot. And then the last collection we got, I'm glad Sweet Whiskey came back. I gotta say, I like Sweet Whiskey. That's a win. I'm not even seeing these other ones. Copperfields, Sunrise Woods, and what was the last one? I'm not even seeing it. Did it sell out online? Oh my goodness. Let me see here. Oh, Sweet Whiskey, Copperfields, Sunrise Woods. What was the fourth one, you guys? Oh, Moonlit Martini. That kind of came and went for me. I was like, it wasn't bad, but not my overall favorite. It's like I kind of forgot about it, honestly. Let's put it this way. There was nothing like memorable other than Sweet Whiskey for me. You know how much I love Sweet Whiskey. And then, of course, we have Luminous, which I actually like. Today is the day to pick up your Luminous because you get those special little cap here. I do love this cap. I would like a cap for all of my stuff. I think the cap is really cool. Look at how fun it looks like if you put it on something else. Look at this. Look at this. Doesn't that look nice? Like on Black Cherry Merlot? Kind of makes it look classy. Anyway, oops, I dropped. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm dropping everything. That's the problem. When you're a YouTuber, these are so tall and skinny, they tend to fall over on your desk. Where'd my lid go? Oh, here it is. I got it. I hate losing my lids. That's like a pet peeve of mine. So anyway, Pure Wonder is back in the new packaging. I'm going to review that. A lot of people are asking me about 1,000 Wishes. That's a nice one. Although 1,000 Christmas Wishes is a lot nicer. A lot of people thought that was the Merry Cherry Cheer repackage. I don't know about that. I don't think it was an exact repackage. But that one a lot of people like for Christmas. But overall, I mean, I really feel like fall is definitely winding down. Pick up your fall scents now. Wear them in October. A lot of people do enjoy wearing the fall stuff in October because Christmas is definitely going to be arriving more and more in the next, I'd say like 10 to 20 days. I think the official date for this is October 28th, but I have a feeling it might arrive online sooner. So be on the lookout. We're still going to talk about some fall stuff. We got a lot of Christmas to talk about. A lot of sales coming up. I got a lot of candle reviews to do. I actually didn't light up a candle today just because I couldn't talk. So I was like, I'll take a break from candles. But definitely check out the $4.95 sale. And candles are $14.95 today, which is good. Oh, holiday flash sale. What is this? What? Holiday Head Start flash sale. 20% off. What's going on? I just saw this. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, I'm going to do another video. I'm going to talk about this flash sale because I just saw it on my screen. Anyway, fall is starting to end. The leaves are falling. Anyway, we're going to talk about this flash sale in a little bit. I'll see you guys soon.